How much does it cost to rebuild an automatic transmission? What are some signs that your transmission needs rebuilding? Let's talk transmissions. They're like that reliable friend who's always smooth, but the second they act up, you're in for a world of trouble. Rebuilding an automatic transmission isn't a walk in the park. The cost? Well, strap in because depending on the damage, you're looking at anywhere between $1,800 and $3,500. And that's if you're lucky. Some high-end models can send that price tag soaring into the $4,000 to $5,000 range. Why the steep price, you ask? It's because you're not just swapping out parts. This is the mechanical equivalent of open-heart surgery. Meticulous, labor-intensive, and not something you want to bargain hunt. Moving on, signs you need a rebuild aren't subtle. First off, if you're in Portland, Oregon like me, we've got some hilly terrain that can put a strain on transmission. Keep your senses peeled for these cues. Slipping gears. If your ride's pulling a David Copperfield and the gears are slipping away, that's a red flag. It's like trying to hold onto a fish. 1 second it's there, the next, whoosh! Delayed engagement. Step on the gas, and the car sits there contemplating life before finally kicking into gear. Yeah, that hesitation could point towards a transmission cry for help. Fluid leakage. If you spot a pool of red liquid beneath your car, it's not there to admire your parking skills. Transmission fluid leaks are a telltale sign. Noises in neutral. Picture this. Your car's in neutral, but it sounds like it's trying to grind coffee or play maracas. Unusual noises can be a transmission's version of a throat clear. The check engine light. That little light is like the car's way of saying, Houston, we have a problem. Don't ignore it, hoping it's a false alarm. Rough shifts. If changing gears feels about as smooth as a ride on a cobblestone street, you've got transmission trouble. If you're experiencing any of these automotive theatrics, get it looked at pronto. Workshops are like doctors for your car, and the longer you wait, the worse it gets. Stay on top of your vehicle's health. After all, nobody enjoys the surprise costs of an automotive ailment. Stay safe, drive smart. And hey, enjoy the roads of Portland, but maybe keep the number of a good transmission shop handy, just in case.